Good morning, children. Today we are going to take the 11th chapter of EVS, page number 78. In this chapter we learn about our safety. Safety rules make us to be away from the accidents. We have got safety rules on the road, safety rules at home, safety rules while playing, and good and bad touch. Here on the safety road rules, let's see. This is traffic lights. Red, yellow, green. Green tells us stop. Yellow tells us wait. Green tells us go. If we follow these three rules, we can avoid the accidents in the roads. Then, while we walk on the road, we have to walk on left side of the road. Also, we have to walk on the footpath. Then, the children should not play on the roadside. Then, whenever they cross the road, they have to use the zebra crossing, and they have to be with elders crossing the zebra lines. These are the main things in safety rules of the road. Let's see in safety rules at home. We should not play with pointed things like knife, scissors, or any other pointed things because it will hurt us. And also we should not play with electronic things. The plug points and the wire, it will give us shock, so we will be getting hurt. We also should not play we also should not keep the toys on the floor because it will make us some accidents while walking. We have to keep them in their respective places. Let's also see in the safety rules in the playground. Where do we play? In the park. When we play, we should not push the other and we should not make them hurt. And if anyone is getting hurt, we have to wash the wound and inform the elders as much as possible. Then let's also be careful not to play in the thorny bushes. While playing the thorny bushes, if we are falling, we get hurt on our body. In order to avoid, let's not play near thorny bushes. If we play in the park, if any rules have got in the play, let's also follow those rules because that will keep us safe without any accidents. And let's also remember that we should not speak to the stranger whoever comes in the park. If we keep all these rules in the playing, let's avoid all the accidents which will be taking place. Let's also know that good and bad touch. If someone is touching very friendly, we feel nice, that is good touch. If your mommy is touching you freely, that is good touch. If anyone, stranger or anyone else, if you do not know the person touches you, that is bad touch. If anyone is touching you like that, you have to inform the elders. That is all about good and bad touch. Let's also once more go through the safety rules. We should follow the safety rules on the roads, playground, at home. And let's also know the good and bad touch. Thank you.